In this video, I want to show you how you can enable your Chrome extensions to be able to work on the incognito mode. So normally when you are using the incognito mode, your Chrome extension doesn't work there unless it is enabled. So how do you do that? If you want to do that, you can go here on your Chrome browser. You can go here and open it. So this will open up your extensions. You click on manage extension. If you don't want to do it from there, you go to these three dots on the right hand side of the screen and you scroll down to extensions. From here you see manage extensions. If you open it from here, both of them will open the same place. So for instance, I'm going to pick up the Chrome extension that I want to use in the incognito mode. I'll scroll down. I'm looking for web ChatGPT, and this is the Chrome extension. First of all, what does this web ChatGPT does for you? It enables your ChatGPT to be able to access the internet. Your free ChatGPT account, it enables it to be able to access the internet whenever you put up any prompt on ChatGPT. So let me show you how it looks on my normal web browser. So when I go here and I open the ChatGPT website, chatgpt.com, when I open it, see how the interface will look. The interface will look like this because of web ChatGPT, right? Yes. Then let me show you how it will look on my incognito mode without enabling the Chrome extension to work on the incognito. So I'll go ahead on these three dots, click there and click on new incognito window. It has opened. So I'll open ChatGPT website, which is chatgpt.com, and open it. So this is how the interface of ChatGPT will look without enabling the web ChatGPT extension to be able to work on the incognito mode. So if you got value in this video, please help me smash the like button and click subscribe so that you won't miss any video we are going to post in the future. So for me to be able to change this for that web ChatGPT Chrome extension to work on this incognito mode, I'll go ahead and enable it. So I'll go back to my normal mode and go to our extensions, the page I opened for managing extensions, and I'll look for the extension I'm looking for. This is it, web ChatGPT. So to enable it to work on the incognito mode, I'll go to details. I'll click on details and then scroll all the way down to here, and then you are seeing allow in incognito mode. What do? I go here and toggle it on. So it has turned on. So what do? I go back to my incognito mode and reload this page. Reload it. This ChatGPT website that I opened. Reload it. Are you seeing that? Magically, it has the web extension, the web ChatGPT extension has started working on the incognito mode because I turned it on. So this is how you can do it for any Chrome extension you have that you want to use in incognito mode. You use the method I showed you to turn it on so that you can use it comfortably on the incognito mode. Thank you for watching.